So how did I become a data engineer? So I'll take you back to the beginning so that you understand the whole process in case you want to pursue that path. So in university, I graduated with a degree in electrical engineering, and I got my first job as an IT support engineer. And then from there now, I ended up getting stuck in the IT field for about 6 years where I was doing IT support. And there came a time where I got bored with IT support. So I needed a new challenge. That's when I started looking at other options, other paths that I could follow. That's when now I came upon data engineering. So from that time, I started doing research on what data engineering is. So basically what I did is I went to job portals like LinkedIn, like Indeed, like Seek, and I was just looking at data engineering vacancies, and I'll be looking at the requirements on all those vacancies, and I was just listing down all those requirements that we needed for you to get a data engineering job. So after a while, after looking at about 1,000 or so vacancies, listing down all the things that they were requiring, I then sat down and looked at what was common in all those vacancies, and those are the things that I started studying. Those are the things that I started doing more research on. So in other words, I was doing reverse engineering, coming from the vacancies themselves, going back to studying or preparing myself to become a data engineer. So at first, I didn't want to invest any money in it, so I was using free resources. I went to W3 schools. It's free. You can just go there and learn anything for free. And also Kaggle. It's also good when you want to go into data engineering, and Udemy. But on Udemy, you need to pay a little bit of money. But you can also go to YouTube. YouTube has a lot of tutorials. And then from there now, I looked at how I can get certifications. So after doing thorough research, I realized that I really don't need my certification. All I did was I went to the Microsoft website. I registered for DP 900 certification. It's not really a hard exam. You just need to prepare well. You need maybe a week or so to prepare, and it's not costly as well. You pay about $100. And once you pass that exam now, you'll be Azure certified and you rank higher on the job market. And there are other ways that you can also get certification. You can try AWS or other cloud services, or Google cloud services as well. It also has certification for data engineers. And once I got my certification, I started doing a lot of practice. I went to the site called kaggle.com. I'll put the links in the description. And I downloaded a lot of data sets that I used to do practice. So basically, I would set questions, I would do mini projects using those data sets just to polish my SQL skill, to polish my Python skills, and all the different skills that I needed to be a data engineer. And as I said before, I'm going to list all the skills that you should master before you can apply for any data engineering role. I'll put the list in the description, so just go and check it out. So after a few months, I was ready and I started applying. I went on to LinkedIn, I updated my profile, I put all the certifications that I had done and all the skills that I had acquired, and I started applying. And I was invited to a few interviews. The first one didn't go well, the second one didn't go well. I got the third one. Yeah, I got the third one and the fourth one, but I ended up taking the third one because it had better specs. So basically, that's my journey. That's how I moved from electrical engineering to data engineering. And up to now, I'm still enjoying. There is more work, of course, in data engineering, but the money is good. It's way good. It's way better than electrical engineering. And also, there are a lot of vacancies as well. If you just go right now on any job portal, you'll see that there are more vacancies on data engineering. It's a rising field compared to electrical engineering. So if you have any question, write it in the comment section. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.